Lakliba July amada qualifying date oiraka state asida special intensive revision SIR Pangthoknaba Election Commission of India na yathang tawtharakre. Hiram asiga mari lainana Chief Electoral Officer CEO Manipur Arun Kumar Sinhana khudek piduranga si thadorakpa cherol amana hai. Lakliba July amada qualifying date oiraka state asida SIR Pangthoknaba Eci Gi Yathang direction pirakle. SIR gi manung asida state asige boot level officer BLO Dising Aniga Chomapan Marifutara Tarukna Chatliba Tha Asigi Kuntradake Jun Kunipan Fauba House to House enumeration Chathagane. Masigi Damak elector sing da enumeration form sing Fangane. Form sing ase BLO gi Kutang dat natraga website voters.eci.gov.in dage enumeration form download to yagane. Mensilaba form sing ado Mari Lainaba BLO sing natraga online gi Kutang da Mathaki website asida Thazin yagane. Tongan political parties sing na appoint tauba boot level agents BLA na enumeration gi phase asida BLO sing da mating pangkane SIR gi preparation training amade printing ase chatliba tha asigi kundage kunmapan fauba pangtokane rationalization of polling station na lakliba June kunipan faugi manungda loisin draft electoral roll na lakliba July 5 da phongkane loina na final electoral roll na lakliba September 3 da phonglagane SIR ase elector political party sing amate election officials sing yauna mari lainaba stakeholders sing na punna saruk yaduna chathagadaba exercise amane maram aduna political party singa polling booth singe BLA sing appoint tawduna masida mapung fana saruk yaduna SIR ase yamna transparent oina chatnaba honaminasi haina jerol asina makha tare